Pretty good for a 40-year-old.
Okay, we're in Toronto now. We did the show last night. Ellesmere Skatepark here, and we're gonna go play around on flat bank for a bit. Get the surf skates out. Let's get at it. Okay. All right, pitter patter. Let's get at this. It's a great park though.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
I definitely would come back and spend the night and just spend 2 days here.
And skate it, get up in the morning, come skate it.
Practice.
Yeah, when there's nobody here. Like during the week, like this is a Monday morning, this is amazing. Every kid is in school.
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Yeah, it's got a little something for everybody. Because it's got more of a mini ramp, yeah, kick, where this is just, it's no different than what you were dropping in over there, just another foot longer.
I know, I just have this like, remember that last time you did it? The very last time I dropped in is when I sprained my ankle, and I'm still recovering from it. It's a little bit, you know, traumatizing.
I got you.
I am almost 40.
Well, I'm 27 according to the guy last night at the venue.
I'm 31.
There you go.
I like how he's like, whatever skincare regimen you guys are using.
I know, right? Yeah. Like, no, bud, we're actually like old enough to be your parents.
Play a little.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. All right.
Challenge myself. That was really good. That's the lowest your butt's been the entire day. Get that ass out on the floor. Let me see that Tootsie Roll. You got it. That's it. You got it. Yeah, it's been a fun day here. Only been here an hour and a half. 2 hours. It's just us. It's a Monday morning. Kids are in school. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock, so no one's here. It's amazing. Yeah, just a couple of old people out here ripping, and just a couple of old kids out here playing around in the park. The bowl's been really fun to rip around, so keep trying to learn new tricks, stuff I forgot over the years. I've got some other videos about that stuff, about relearning tricks at 40. Make sure you check those out. For now, we're gonna go grab some lunch and continue on our journey home. And we got a few other places we're gonna stop, maybe another park, and keep on cruising. Thanks for watching. Phew.